Hey, Matt Roulette here with MarineMax Boston. Today we're on board a brand new 2024 17 Montauk. This boat is a classic tan with the red graphics. As you can see here, we left this space, blank so that you could add any MFD you want. Sim red is always recommended. Under here, you'll see you have additional storage. You have your towels, life jackets, anything you need on a day on the water. You get your jump seats. This also has a 115. It's not the standard engine, it's the upgraded engine. It comes standard with a 90. If you look around, this one has a teak package. It's got the fishing package with the bimini top. That fishing package is going to include 4 additional rod holders. We got the split bow rail, so if you were to toss your anchor, it's a lot easier, or just tying anything up to the bow. Cooler seat also comes with the fishing package. A lot of the accessories that you need, you could add a dealer level. If you wanted the tow arch or anything else. But yeah, so just a quick video on the 17 Montauk. If you're interested in this boat or any other boat in my inventory, please feel free to reach out. Matt Roulette, MarineMax Boston, 603-320-5524. Thanks.